For the lecture 1 part 2 is classwork. This finds problem to practice about a unit in hydrology. I will explain you the question and you can work as homework and find the solution and we will give the solution is next time. Okay, so we start to try to understand each question. Okay, the first question is that how many 3 cubic meter container to collect the rainwater from a house with the 3 times 5, not this one, it should be square meter roof size. If this house is located in the area receiving annual rainfall is at 1,200 millimeter. So the question is how many the container. So in this case we can draw this PV diagram like we have the house. And the roof size is something like 3 times 5 meter. And we collect the water from the roof to put in the container. The size of this container is 3 okay, so it's 3 cubic meter is and we have the rainfall. This is 1,200 millimeter per day. The question find so how many container we're going to have to collect our water. Okay, for this the second problems, use the pan number 1 with the 0.2 diameter and pan number 2 with the 2 meter diameter to collect the water from rain. So what is the difference between the water depth in both pan? Explain whether the depth in pan number 1 or number 2 is equal or greater than or less than or not equal. Okay. This one is small pan and okay, to both pan receive the rainfall and to collect the water from the rainfall. This pan number 1. So what's, you can understand what the question is. Okay, the question is, what is about the D1 and D2 is equal, or D1 greater than D2, or D2 greater than D1. For the next question from number 3, is a circular funnels with a 0.2 meter diameter to collect 2 millimeter of rainfall and pass through the 0.02 diameter of cylinder. So what is the depth of water in the cylinder? Okay. So what is, this is the question number 3. The circular funnels is, the meter is 0.2, and the bottom is the cylinder, diameter is 0.02 meter. Okay, and collect the rainfall. Just 2 meters. Okay, so how many D3 in the cylinder? For the first question is about the rectangle for the rectangle funnels with the 1 times 2 square meter to correct the 10 millimeter per minute of rainfall sent to a pipe. So what is the pipe flow rate in cubic meter per minute? So this is a rectangular funnel. Okay, the size of this rectangular funnel. To correct the rainfall with the 10 the rate of rainfall is 10 millimeter per minute. So what is the question is what is the Q in terms of cubic meter per minute? Okay. If the water flow to the pipes, and the last question is from the problem number 4. If the pipe flow rate is 250 liters per hour, so the question is what is the rainfall intensity in millimeter per minute? So it's a reverse question from number 4. Okay. So in this case, if we problem number 5. This is if we know the Q. Okay. So the question is what is the rainfall rate? Okay, that is our question. And for the next time, you have to work with. I recommend you to work in the groups and try to find a solution, and we can come to the give you solution next time.